I love A-frame houses. I've always wanted to live in one, so I'm really excited that we're staying in this. It's so cute. So far, the vibe of Nusa Penida has been absolutely amazing. Our taxi driver picked us up with reggae music playing and the weather's just absolutely beautiful. We just checked into our Airbnb and oh my god, I didn't think we'd be able to beat our Airbnb in Munduk, but you guys have to check this out.
This one's for my scheme makers, my dream chasers trying to make it. Trust you gotta hold on to faith and be patient. I know you're trying to get to the days of elation, and all those obstacles in your way won't delay it. It's a lesson. Blessings on blessings, I start to count them when I'm stressing. Trials and tribulations I'm facing have a message. I know that the moment I'm over them is when I get it. So now I try focus on approaching them with acceptance. Everything's happening for a reason, and everything can change in a year like the seasons. Everything
I love A-frame houses. I've always wanted to live in one, so I'm really excited that we're staying in this. It's so cute.
Everything arrives in your life when the timing is right, man. I work overtime trying to shine, and we gon' celebrate when the pay come. I know that it's coming soon, man. I can feel it in the air, and I think I'm prepared for the change up. I bet this is what it sound like. Just before you blow up, better get the crowd hyped. Just before I shark, trying to live my life right from my life. I don't rep a gang sign. Peace is all I throw up, and middle fingers for teachers who told me I wouldn't be shit. Mad cause I'm wild and I'm free, bitch. Young anarchist since the age of 3, and you can't blame me cause you can't tame genius. People call me cocky now, I just got belief in who I'm gonna be and what I can achieve, and I know that the fame and the pay and the claim's gonna come, but I'm already living out the dream, man. Tell me what you want, tell me what you know. Listen, if it's all a game, better take control.
It's been so nice. Like, I'm conflicted at the moment because the jungle is so amazing in Bali, but then you also have these little huts that are on the beach that you can literally step out and go into the water from, which is so crazy to me. I love Nusa Penida so far. I know I say it in every video, but this might be my favorite place now. So this place is usually well over $100 a night, and because of COVID, it's only about 27 US dollars a night. We got so lucky, and it is worth every penny. Worth way more than this, actually. It's absolutely amazing. Highly recommend it. We'll leave it down in the description if you're interested in staying here. We aren't affiliates or anything. We just like sharing with you guys what we're up to. So yeah, if you're coming to Penida, definitely see if this place is available before you book anything.
was the best barbecuing we've had since being in Bali, for sure. Big portion, spicy, really good. Definitely come here if you're in Nusa Penida. It's called Rahayu barbecuing we're on. All up for the 2 meals and 2 drinks, it was about 40,000 IDR, so about $3 US. Pretty good.
So we're having dinner in tonight because we didn't want to leave this view, and it's so cozy and comfy in here at the moment. So we just ordered pizza from down the street and they just delivered it. It's awesome. We didn't think there would be delivery here, but it's so good. So we're gonna sit here and have pizza, and then tomorrow we're gonna go do a bit more exploring. We did some nice yoga this morning at sunrise. It was absolutely beautiful. Now we're just having some breakfast and heading off to Diamond Beach today.
Yeah, apparently the road heading into Diamond Beach is a little bit rough, but I think we'll be alright.
See how we go.
We're going to ride our scooter. The only other option was to basically book a tour and have a driver for the whole day, but we don't really think we need that just to go to one beach, so we're going to try and do it ourselves.
Realizing that we don't absolutely love going to tourist destinations. They are so beautiful and there's a reason that so many people visit them, but it sort of feels a bit funny to me just going somewhere just to get a photo and not going there to just, you know, experience it. Also, the food was probably double the price up at Diamond Beach what it normally is, but I'm happy we went because I really wanted to see it. Honestly, I think I enjoyed the ride up there more than anything. Like, my favorite thing that we've done since we've been in Bali is just jump on the scooter and not really have a plan and just see where we end up. And we always end up finding like really cool restaurants and really cool places to hang out and cool beaches and stuff. So I think we're probably just gonna stick to that from now on. The touristy stuff just isn't working out for us, so I think we just prefer to travel a little bit different than other people do. Lloyd and I are also quite introverted, so being in like crowds of people, not our cup of tea. Each to their own, but yeah, for us, not really our jam. Finished up some coaching calls with some of our students for our online course. If you're interested in joining that, we have the link down in the description. We're just heading out for dinner now. The sun's just about to set, so we're gonna watch the sunset, eat some dinner, and then probably just watch some Netflix and head to bed. made it this far in the vlog, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. In the next video, we're heading to Nusa Penida, so make sure you hit the subscribe button, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!